a last statement for all of you. First, baguhin niyo na ang mga ugali ninyo kasi napaka mga babalahura ninyo. And besides, wala na mag-iinay sa inyo. Ayusin niyo buhay niyo kasi hindi ko naman sila nilalait eh. I'm just telling the truth. That set all free, you know that. Guys, that's what you said to free. Act whatever you want. Pero wala naman masyadong balakura. And so speechless talaga. Because you guys, mahal na mahal ka naman kayo eh. Sinasabi ko lang na ito sa parang bangan eh. Then, yung mga properties namin here, yung mga vicinities na mga area dito, pag yun naman babuin ha, kasi mga baboy kayo eh, kabilang tinatapunan nyo ng mga basura, hindi man lang yung mga pag-aari. Kami ang nag-damage. And you see, ang ganda-ganda ng bahay, ang ganda ng place, ang baho-baho na ng gilid. Pag kumakain kami, pag nagpapaganda kami, naamoy namin yung mga amoy-amoy niyo dyan. Yung mga pampers ninyo. Ano ba naman yun? As far as I'm concerned...
Speech for Rio.
Ha?
Speech for Rio.
I have nothing to say with Rio. I'm so speechless talaga. Then, I have no message for him. Then, I have a lot of message talaga, but it is on my mind. Hindi ko na alam yung sasabihin ko. And I just wanted to thank for all my sponsors, for Sarah, for my clothes, the one I wear today. Then, Bobby Spence for my hair and makeup. Actually, it will be applied mamaya. Before I go, before we
Take off.
Before we depart. Before we go, before we leave Inaon. It will be applied there in their salon, in her boutique. Thank you, Pepsi Herrera and Bambi Fred. And I want to thank also Adidas for my shoes. And then I want also to thank Toy Kingdom for giving me a lot of gift check. I have a lot of gift check there, and they told me na kunin ko na lang lahat ng mga gusto ko. Then, kasi, I was technically the case on that. I want to have a time para mag-shopping with toys with my child. And they told me na, punta lang ako sa any Toy Kingdom outlet. Then, get whatever I want. And I want to thank all the sponsors and facial care for my facial care. It's too essential talaga. So, for Lani and Pagkalayan, thank you. And thank you guys, all of you. I love you. Bye-bye.